Let's talk about Nihonmachi Terrace today. Nihonmachi Terrace in Japantown has a very nice garden. It's close to public, but even surrounding edge right outside offers plants and flowers associated with Japanese ancestry, as the name suggested. In spring, cherry blossoms are breathtaking on south side with a rose bush, Tabera from north end of Japan, and sharimbai from southern end of Japan. Their blossoms with sweet smells are on north side. Bougainvillea from very southern part of Japan is on the east side, while red and black Japanese pine trees are right next to the front gate. There's a tower building. It's a residential unit, and it's also called Hinode Tower by neighbors. I asked ChatGPT, Almighty, for the reason for that. Hey, ChatGPT, do you know anything about Hinode Tower in Japantown in San Francisco? Here's what she said. Yes, Hinode Tower is a historic landmark in Japantown, San Francisco. It was named Hinode, which means sunrise in Japanese, to represent the hope and renewal that the community felt as it rebuilt after the war. It is a reminder of the struggles and challenges faced by Japanese Americans in the past. The building was constructed in 1968, one of the tallest buildings in the neighborhood, standing at 15 stories tall. It was a part of a redevelopment project aimed at revitalizing the neighborhood after decades of decline. It was an important symbol of Japanese American identity and achievement, as it represented the community's ability to overcome discrimination and build a successful business in the face of adversity in the wake of the wartime internment during World War II. It is a reminder of the challenges faced by any immigrants and minorities in the United States. It quickly became a landmark of the neighborhood and a symbol of the community's resilience and perseverance of the Japanese American community, having led to renewal in the wake of the forced internment of Japanese Americans during World War II. Today, the Hinode Tower continues to be an important symbol of the Japanese American community in Japantown in San Francisco. So, this is what he said. I changed a little bit because there are some small, clear mistakes. And overall, I say, hats off, ChatGPT. Keep up a good job. A most important thing, thank you for everybody who was involved in constructing Nihonmachi Terrace and upkeeping of it. Way to go, Nihonmachi Terrace. Keep up with the beautiful garden from now on as well. When you visit Japantown, please think about a little bit of history of Japanese Americans as well. Thank you. Bye now.